She was my first love, the love of my life. Curious green eyes, the softest hands, a flat smile. She was protective and could be very jealous. She was petite and had long, wild hair. It had been 2 weeks since she left. I sat and waited. Patience is not easy for a 17-year-old, willing the floodlight to trip in the backyard, the signal of Sophie's return. I missed her sense of closeness as I sat on the couch next to the gray dent she made on the back cushion. I remembered that she loved to watch us decorate the Christmas tree from her perch, scrutinizing the placement of each ornament. She knew, once the house was still, that she could try her paw at redecorating and scatter the glass, feathers, and tinsel across the tree skirt. Only then would she be satisfied, and, in a way, we needed her approval for fear that her wrath would result in a loud crashing mess in the middle of the night. One year, she was especially suspicious, especially silent, while she examined this jolly Christmas ritual with her wide, lamp-like eyes. Suddenly, from the couch, she hurtled headfirst into the center of the tree. A stowaway mouse, desperate to relocate from the forest where we chopped down our tree, scurried away from her quick pounce. After we picked up the tree and put it back in its stand, we swept up 3 crushed antique ornaments that once hung on my great-grandmother's tree. A soft mewing broke into my reverie. I heard a pawing at the back door. She's back. She headed straight for her food dish, then landed softly on the sofa next to me. "Sophie," I said as I ran my fingers down her vibrating spine. "Sophie, because you love to sit on the sofa." I can tell by a faint odor of mechanical oil that she's been accidentally locked up again for the past 2 weeks. You know what they say about curiosity. I'm reminded of Sophie every December. Over winter break, during my sophomore year in college, I drove her to the vet every day, hoping that the vitamin shots would help to reboot her fragile kidneys. We were hoping for a Christmas miracle. She was so weak by the end that she could barely make it up the stairs, so she mostly stayed in her favorite spot by the picture window in the living room. The morning 2 days after Christmas, she had made it up 2 stairs to be closer to us before she ran out of steam. She left as softly as she arrived. Even now, I have dreams about Sophie coming back, just after her short vacation in the neighbor's garage, meowing at the back door.